Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is installing some rotors on the Infiniti. So these are rotors and pads. So I got these on Amazon. I did put the Max Elite on the rear, and then I tried to get some for the front because for the price, I mean, they work pretty good. Like, I'm not doing aggressive driving with it. The odd time I might have to press the brakes quick on the highway, but not too much. So I got these are the Transit Auto brand. They're super cheap. So I just like them because they're drilled and slotted and they look nice, and they got the black. I don't know if it's gonna hold up at all. My Max Elite were all black, but obviously where the brake touches anyways, it peels the black off. So I just like the black look, and I'm gonna put these on, see how they work. Comes with the pads. I'll have the link in the description below. So even if you don't have an Infiniti, like, these rotors fit a lot of models. I was gonna buy these first, but I bought the other ones. Are a little more expensive. The Max Elite are a little more expensive, but I got these. I figured I'd give it a shot. Now, I did notice the reviews. There is some for like metallic ceramic brake pads, and then people are saying they're very squeaky. So I got just ceramic, not metallic ceramic. And then I didn't really read any reviews on squeaky brakes with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them and see how they work. Some brake rotors will have little screw that you can screw in to pull the brake out. This doesn't have that, so I don't have a sledgehammer. Usually you can kick it loose or a sledgehammer from underneath. I'm just gonna have to try to use a hammer. So there's these pins here. I thought like the brake pad had to go behind them, but I think it's good just to put one there and then push this, and then it kind of keeps it from being stuck to your rotor, I guess. Let's see. go. There we go. Now put the wheel on, and that's them there. This is just to pass the safety. I put these on quick and cheap, and they look really good, and they work. I do want to upgrade the brakes to the Akabono calipers in the future.